Sigma men aren't here to play emotional chess. For them, relationships are built on trust, respect, and unwavering authenticity. While many might flirt with superficial games, Sigma men approach connection with sincere intention, taking every bond seriously. When trust is broken, they don't lash out impulsively. Instead, they respond with a measured, almost surgical precision that leaves a lasting impact. Unlike the typical man who might get caught up in mind games or even face financial fallout from toxic dynamics, Sigma men opt for a different route. They know that when someone turns betrayal into a game, the real victory is in gracefully walking away, leaving behind a mystery that few can predict. Curious about how Sigma men handle betrayal without ever playing into the drama? Hit that subscribe button and join us as we unveil the strategic, silent power moves that define the Sigma endgame. Number 1. The vanishing act, disappearing like a shadow. The first move of a Sigma male isn't to engage, it's to. Unlike most men who overtext, overexplain, or anxiously wait for a response, a Sigma removes himself from the equation entirely. No double texting, no waiting for validation, no playing into emotional games. He does what few men have the discipline to do. He disappears. And nothing fuels desire more than absence. This taps into the idea that people place a higher value on what is rare or hard to obtain. Studies in behavioral psychology confirm that when something is suddenly unavailable, the human brain fixates on it even more. When a Sigma male pulls away, a woman's natural response isn't indifference, it's intrigue. She starts asking, and just like that, the dynamic shifts. Most men chase relentlessly, making themselves predictable and easy to read. A Sigma, on the other hand, becomes a mystery. And the human mind hates unanswered questions. The moment he becomes unavailable, her curiosity spikes. The absence creates space for attraction to grow, making her wonder what's beneath the surface. A Sigma doesn't manipulate. He simply values his own time. And paradoxically, by stepping away, he makes himself desirable. Because in the game of attraction, the one who is least available often holds the most power. Number 2. Leveling up, the silent revenge. Jealousy is a tool many women use to test a man's emotional control. They post attention-seeking pictures, mention other guys, or act distant just to see if he reacts. Most men take the bait, showing insecurity, frustration, or desperation. But a Sigma? He doesn't even notice. He's too busy leveling up. This taps into the idea that true power comes not from chasing external validation, but from constant growth. Psychology confirms that people regret losing those who continue to rise. Instead of wasting energy proving his worth, a Sigma invests in himself. He hits the gym, sharpens his mind, and advances his goals. By the time she looks back, she's no longer in his league. The best revenge isn't petty mind games. It's undeniable progress. When a woman sees a man thriving without her, a psychological shift occurs. The brain processes loss through, making her wonder. That regret is far more powerful than any reaction she hoped to provoke. She realizes too late. She was just a fleeting chapter in your book, while you were the entire story. A Sigma doesn't seek validation. He becomes the kind of man that no one wants to lose. Number 3. The cold, unbothered energy. Indifference is one of the most powerful psychological tools in human interaction. When most people face rejection, betrayal, or disrespect, they react emotionally, arguing, demanding explanations, or seeking closure. But a Sigma male, he does none of that. Instead, he responds with, and that is far more devastating than any outburst ever could be. This concept is deeply rooted in, and the people value what is hard to attain and panic when something they took for granted is suddenly unavailable. When a Sigma walks away without anger, argument, or emotional turmoil, it sends a clear message. This creates cognitive dissonance. She expected a reaction but got silence instead. That silence forces her to question her own worth and rethink the entire dynamic. Most men seek closure because they crave validation. A Sigma already has his own validation, so he never needs external reassurance. That kind of unshakable self-sufficiency is unsettling to those who rely on emotional manipulation. When a woman realizes that a Sigma genuinely doesn't care, that's when the power shifts. She starts chasing, questioning, and regretting, because nothing is more attractive and more frustrating than someone who refuses to be controlled. A Sigma male's silence isn't passive. And in the world of human psychology, the one who controls their emotions always controls the outcome. Number 4. Attracting high-value women, the ultimate shift. Sigmas don't waste time on women who play games. While most men get caught up in chasing validation, overanalyzing mixed signals, or trying to prove their worth, a Sigma simply walks away. He understands a fundamental truth. Energy is valuable, and wasting it on someone who doesn't appreciate his presence is a losing game. This mindset is rooted in. Studies show that people often assign higher value to those who demonstrate. When a Sigma redirects his attention to someone who values him, the woman who once took him for granted experiences a psychological shift. Suddenly she's forced to reevaluate. Nothing humbles arrogance faster than realizing that what was once an option is no longer available. When she sees another woman in the spot she thought was hers, it triggers a psychological phenomenon known as the desire to regain what was lost. She may not have valued you when you were available, but the moment she sees you thriving elsewhere, doubt creeps in. This is why a Sigma never chases or begs for attention. He knows that true confidence comes from knowing his worth and refusing to entertain those who don't see it. Instead of trying to convince someone of his value, he moves forward, leaving them to deal with the weight of their own mistake. Number 5. Becoming unavailable, the reverse chase. Human psychology is wired to appreciate what is scarce. This is known as a concept studied by social psychologists like Dr. Robert Cialdini. When something is always available, people take it for granted. But the moment it becomes rare or unattainable, its perceived value skyrockets. This is exactly what happens when a Sigma male withdraws his attention. Suddenly she notices your absence. Your name no longer pops up on her phone. Your availability disappears. And in that silence, she starts to question what changed. At first it's curiosity, then it becomes a challenge. People don't like losing something valuable, especially when they didn't expect it. When a Sigma moves on, it's not a strategy. It's a natural response. You don't beg for attention or force connections. Your self-respect is too high for that. The harsh truth? By the time she realizes what she lost, it's already too late. A Sigma doesn't wait around for someone to appreciate his worth. He walks away and never looks back. And that, more than anything, makes him unforgettable. Number 6. The ultimate power move, indifference and closure. Emotional detachment is one of the most powerful displays of strength, and a Sigma understands this better than anyone. When a woman from your past reaches out, she expects to find the same man she once knew, hurt, waiting, maybe even bitter. But instead she finds someone different, someone unmoved, indifferent, and completely at peace. This taps into a psychological principle known as people value what they believe they've lost control over. The moment she realizes she no longer has an emotional grip on you, her perception shifts. Suddenly the one feeling powerless. She expected tears, resentment, maybe even an argument, but instead she's met with a simple, calm, "I've moved on." This isn't about playing games. It's about self-respect. A Sigma male doesn't cling to the past. He understands that true power comes from emotional independence. While others waste energy on bitterness and revenge, he channels his focus into self-improvement and forward momentum. And that's when it hits her. She played herself. She thought she could come back on her terms, but the game changed. The Sigma doesn't wait for validation or closure because he doesn't need it. Instead, he becomes the one who got away. And nothing haunts the mind more than what it can no longer have. Number 7. He lets time do the work. The Sigma male understands a simple but powerful truth. While most men get caught up in emotional games, chasing validation or trying to prove their worth, a Sigma takes a different approach. He doesn't argue, beg, or plead for attention. He simply moves forward. This mindset aligns with a concept deeply rooted in psychology. When a person removes themselves from a toxic situation or an emotionally draining dynamic, they regain control. Women who test a Sigma's patience often expect him to react like the average man, frustrated, eager to prove himself, or desperate to win her back. But when he remains unaffected, it creates an unexpected shift. Studies in human behavior suggest that the moment a Sigma walks away without resistance, the woman starts to reconsider. Instead of him proving his worth, she's left questioning. Regret sets in, not because he punished her, but because he simply refused to entertain the game. Time does the work for him. As life moves forward, so does he, growing, evolving, and thriving. And by the time she realizes what she lost, he's already on to bigger and better things. This isn't about bitterness, it's about understanding value. A Sigma male knows that true strength lies in moving forward, not looking back. He lets time reveal the truth, because in the end, he lives his best life. Revenge is a concept that consumes most people. They seek closure, explanations, or even a final word to prove their worth. But a Sigma? He operates on a different level. His silence is louder than any argument, his success is sharper than any insult, and his indifference is more powerful than any act of retaliation. Psychologists call this the ability to walk away without emotional baggage. Studies show that people who detach from negativity and focus on self-improvement experience higher levels of well-being and personal success. A Sigma understands that the best way to prove a point is not through confrontation, but through elevation. When a Sigma walks away, he truly never looks back. There are no late-night texts, no attempts to revisit the past, no emotional outbursts. Instead, he channels his energy into growth, his goals, his mindset, his future. This is why his absence is often more impactful than his presence. Those who doubted him, betrayed him, or underestimated him eventually realized that they lost someone rare, someone irreplaceable. This isn't about pride, it's about principle. A Sigma values his time and energy too much to waste it on resentment. Instead of engaging in petty battles, he focuses on building a life so fulfilling that past grievances become irrelevant. And that's the real revenge, not proving them wrong, but proving to yourself that they never really mattered in the first place. Number 9, the final blow, living unapologetically. The most powerful form of revenge isn't anger, bitterness, or trying to prove someone wrong, it's indifference. A Sigma male doesn't waste time dwelling on the past or seeking validation through petty retaliation. Instead, he channels that energy into becoming the best version of himself. When a woman walks away or underestimates him, he doesn't chase. He doesn't beg for closure. He simply levels up, making her absence irrelevant. This mindset is rooted in a concept from Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Sigma males prioritize personal growth, purpose, and self-mastery over external validation. Unlike others who seek revenge through reactionary behavior, a Sigma's silence and progress send the strongest message. He understands that the best way to move forward isn't to prove his worth to someone else, but to become so fulfilled, so successful that their opinion no longer matters. Psychologically, this approach is also powerful because it shifts focus inward. Research in cognitive behavioral therapy suggests that focusing on self-improvement rather than resentment leads to greater emotional resilience and life satisfaction. While others get stuck in cycles of regret, a Sigma keeps moving forward, refining his goals, strengthening his mindset, and elevating his life. And here's the irony: by the time she realizes what she lost, it no longer affects him. He has outgrown the situation entirely. That's the real revenge, not proving her wrong, but becoming so great that the past is nothing more than a stepping stone to something better. Sigmas. This is the silent effect. The kind of revenge that doesn't require games, drama, or ego. You don't chase, you elevate. And when she finally realizes what she lost, it's already too late. If this video gave you value, make sure to like and subscribe to join this community of high-value men. Keep embracing your Sigma energy and keep living on your terms. Having said this,